Releasing dopamine, dopamine.
What's up guys, boss Holness coming in the building. Like, comment and subscribe. Wagwan peeps, are we there with another?
Inside,
Brand new banger.
Inside.
Banger! But as usual guys, right before we get in it, just remember to like, comment, share and subscribe because it really help out the Jamaican YouTuber for sure. But anyway peeps, no more itching, right into it.
Go. That's where the grilling goes down, right there.
Bruh.
Oh!
Yo, you know what the man do? A prison bed that the iron thing and the man put like a burner underneath it when them not use and hot up like tea and stuff in the morning. Catch it up and some roll up some book and wrap it up and make something with force up. Force under the bed so it heat the little part right there so. And the man like him use something and scrub off right there so. And the man make tacos dog.
Tell the people about Andrew Holness so you never know nothing what it was going on. It was a misled Andrew Holness. Ladies and gentlemen, if you shall not do it Andrew Holness, you shall not win another election. Peter Phillips, they take the money. The dope is Peter Phillips take the money. You see there is a blue out there. The dope is Peter Phillips take the money from Bill Gates to keep silent. Andrew Holness collect the money from the Secretary of State them for kill the people them. Andrew Holness repent in the name of the mighty name of Jesus Christ, Jehovah, Allah, Krishna, Hula, yes, snake eye, but feel the spirits and them say, ooh. Them say blow some fire, snake eye, hold on, snake eye. Them say light it on the throne, snake eye, light it.
Lie down.
All hail Mama Nanny, all hail Kojo, all hail. All Kojo. All hail to the giants them. To the 21 giants them who was helping the maroon them. Them say 10 but at 21. Them say 4 but at 21. All hail to the giants them from Ethiopia. All hail to the giants them, we shall have thee. All hail to the giants them. Arise back out giants. This is the giants of the female Hasha. All hail Hasha, all hail Hasha. Asha said for not the coffin for them. Bill Gates go down. Bill Gates go down. Bill Gates go down. Bill Gates go down. Dr. Fauci go down. Dr. Fauci go down. Andrew Holness if you shall not live. Andrew Holness.
Boss here, we're not playing
Get them out for the
Get out some of them from running, boss. Get them out.
All hail, throw some rum for me, snake eye.
Yeah.
All hail, the spirit of a top snake eye, the giants that need rum. Them say put rum for me head, snake eye for them talk. Snake eye, you good now, snake eye. I'm gonna cry for the people that want them kill snake eye. We cry for the people that want to kill Snake Eye. We cry Snake Eye, they put the 5G for kill off the whole Jamaica. Snake Eye, they put the 5G for kill off the whole America. Donald Trumps, they shall not defeat you, Donald Trumps. Donald Trumps, they shall not defeat us, Donald Trumps. They shall not defeat us, Donald Trumps. The spirit themselves tell Donald Trump they shall win the election by a landslide victory. Donald Trump's spirit them said Hillary Clinton is behind it too. Them link up for win the election, Donald Trump's. Them come with the Russian scandal, Donald Trump's. The spirit ever tell me I don't know nothing about what the spirit ever tell me, but just talk what the spirit ever tell me. Them say, them come with the Russian scandal it never work. Them come with that other scandal it never work. So them link up with Bill Gates and link up with Fauci and organize with Andrew Holness, the Prime Minister from Jamaica, and organize with the World Health Organization. All of them shall face war crime of humanity, killing crime of humanity by kill off poor people to them so them rich. But none of them will shall save them. The people hand shall upon them. My people, wake up the spirit, if we wake up the giant, if we wake up, so we cry water, we cry water. We cry water, we cry water, we cry water. My people, we cry water for the nation. We cry water for the globe. Them is not paying the police, them Snake Eye, them tell me so they don't kill the police, them Snake Eye, Jesus. Them say they're going to inject the police with the injection needle. My police do not take the injection needle. Andrew Holness planning to kill all of the police, them Papa Jesus. They shall not do it. Andrew, you shall not do it. They will kill off all of the army, them. They will kill off all of the army, them. The 30 Chinese, them. The 30 Chinese, them Snake Eye. We have said Snake Eye. Send them away. Send them away. Send them away. Snake Eye. Fire to fire. Flesh to flesh, blood to blood, fire to fire, flesh to flesh. Yes, Snake Eye. No more, no more, no more, no Snake Eye. No more Snake Eye. Andrew Holness, you and the health minister, as well as the opposition leader, who plan to give all the police them the injection needle. It come here from December upon the ship named the Comforter from 2019. Give them more information. All right, Snake Eye, the spirit of tell me Snake Eye. If one of my police shall die, Snake Eye, Andrew Holness shall go into the grave. If one of my police or my soldiers from the JDF, 1 JR, 2 JR, 3 JR by far, Andrew Holness and Dr. Arthur, we shall have it. Andrew Holness. People, not for the doctor and the nurse and they're in the planet. Yes, spirit, talk to me, spirit. My son, the doctors and the nurse them is in on it. They're planning to kill all humanity to set the 2030 agenda. My son. Yes, Mama, tell me what go on, Mama. They are trying to kill the children them. They are trying to kill off all the children them. By birth control. They have put the 5G system them to kill the young babies them in the hospital.
It's a rubber, them put the people. Attack them, attack. And God is to all the people, them. Just all the people, them. We just do you our white ones them. I don't know the name. But this birth control thing is a wicked thing. It's a rubber thing where when man go down the night, I probably let them take an operate from people and try to read. Me not fool, me read too much of those books. Talk my family, I feel cool.
Dark Snake Eye, the spirit themselves talk. Mama said talk. Mama said talk, Snake Eye. Mama said talk, Snake Eye.
People them, I take all the pill. To them, I want black people reaching a life, them I kill their all different type of way the birth control system. Just thing where them are putting on this pound and not putting on a woman, do me right. And that them I take. And when them take it out, none of them them take it out, them go put it somewhere and try an eagle and try it for a monk, all kind of animal, and when them do them come back and with it. Best again.
Yes,
fire.
Snake Eye, you talk the truth. Oh, my son.
Black
people, white people, Jews, Gentiles.
Everyone again.
You must all unite.
Right.
Unite. You are the rightful government. They cannot beat you all. Soldiers, do not kill your mothers on behalf of these devious politicians and businessmen. My police, do not kill your mothers and your brothers and your sisters All for these evilest policemen. Yes, mama, talk, mama. Okay, I'm putting out a secret. If you are in your house, they shall broke in your house.
Alright guys, here are my thoughts on the whole matter. That brother there in the prison, mad. Man, Tony man make fashion. Yo, think them look professional still. Man, add up in meat and ear things in it and they look nice still, like, you know what I mean? Free money, got J money, if I so them call it. You know what I mean? I hope when him come out, him can start a business still, because when I never think about that. Use one little hot plate thing and catch up all of that. But anyway, peeps, make we get right into the real reason why we're there. L.A. Lewis, you is a madman. Your head chip. And you love attention. And if I were you, stop chat foolishness here and might get yourself in a trouble. I don't know how God name get called up in that. When you call upon spirits or giants. You know anything about spirits or giants? You call upon what? Nanny spirits. You call upon the undead. You call upon one bag of spirit. Oh, you call God name and you call upon so much other different spirit. You know, so you're confused. And the Bible don't tell us say God is a jealous God. You know why you worship no other God but him. And also if you didn't know anything about your Bible, like how you love run off your mouth, when King Saul consult one spirit in the book of Samuel, him consult the spirit of the undead our prophet were dead. And when the prophet come forward and say, yo, what make you do that? God did vex and a bag of things did happen. So clearly, you don't know what you do. You is a madman. You know what I mean? And you chat one bag of foolishness and all them stuff there. And I change up your voice. The spirits are saying, and all this. And you lick grave and all them stuff there with so-called giants bone. Everybody knows say I want cow bone you have, sir. Stop going like you're an idiot. You hear? Stop going like you're an idiot. But anyway, peeps, comment down below and let me know because there's so much to be said. Alright, comment down below. Make we chat this up. L.A. Lewis, you need Jesus. But I hear thing that what's you for you. What's you for you, man. Alright, peeps. So remember to check out my new YouTube page also, guys. It's called Sinus Entertainment. Thank you very much for watching. Happy TGIF. Stay safe, you and the family, and keep praying. And remember that nothing can stop us because God will rock.
The slim and trim, you know you can bend up, do anything. Can't do the dance if you are stuffed chicken, you have to murder.